Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get an UCL point 50. And this is the reward from UCL tournament quest in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can challenge the event and complete the quest, so you can get ton of reward from it. And let's get started. So you have to in the main page and tap this one, the quest. And as you can see, there are some objectives, some quests that you can be done, you can complete. And this is the third one is UCL tournament quest. So you can get this UCL point, 50 UCL point that can be earned from live events, quest and player exchange to exchange for reward in this UCL program. So you have to use any Group A team to play 6 matches in UCL tournaments. And also use any group from Group B team to score 30 goals in the UCL tournament. So after you are done this or complete this objective, you can get mixed version player 78 until 83, and also you can get UCL point 50. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.